back to our Best in the Bronx. We're in the Pelham Bay area today, and this is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath. Let's walk in. This is lushly carpeted, beautiful carpeting, radiant baseboard heating. You have placements for air conditioners. Look at this beautiful green view out these windows. Step into our kitchen here, dishwasher. A lot of cabinet and counter preparation space area. Let's situate ourselves over here and take a look from a different view. Then we'll go down the hallway. 2 full baths. This will be the first full bath right here. Sliding glass doors. This will be the 2nd bedroom. You'll notice the radiant baseboard heating throughout. Easily fit a queen-size bed. Floor-to-ceiling double-wide closet. Let's go to this master bedroom that can easily fit a king, 2 nightstands, and a dresser, and its own private bath. But let's take a look at this closet. This could be a home office. This is huge. So we're in a king-size bedroom as the master that could easily fit 2 nightstands and a dresser, probably an accent chair as well. Retracing our steps, we'll go back by the 1st bedroom that can easily fit a queen. First bathroom, again, sliding glass doors. And let's take another view of your entryway here with your living area. Enormous. Very well managed and maintained elevator building with laundry in the building, and it comes with a parking space. Let's step outside and see if we can take a look outside. You have a huge balcony here. Beautiful sunny day to be looking at an apartment. So, Best of the Bronx, come on down, take a look at this 2-bedroom, 2 full bath in an elevator building with laundry in the building, a live-in super with a parking space included. Thanks for watching.